weekend of summer down at the Niagara Glen. Gonna go enjoy some of this weather and take in some of Niagara's beautiful scenery. There's the river with a boat. Let's go down there.
The jet boat.
The jet boat.
I know this. We've been here before for all the rescues.
That's like the best timing ever.
Yeah.
Well, let's go down here. I don't think I've ever come down here before. Oh, we've got washrooms here. Ready? Let's go. What is this? Fireplace?
Yeah.
Oh, it's screwed shut, bolted shut.
Straight down the river.
People can just climb through.
There's a low fence. You can climb right over that.
Be sticking right here.
There's our ticket. Look at how many times this one's worn out. It's worn out pretty good. Now you're the right.
Get back here. All right. Want to take a look at the map?
Yeah.
No? You know where we are? Well, last time we were here, we did the loop all the way down, all the way over down to here. Went for a swim. Then we came all the way back over to the whirlpool. Today, I think we'll just go down and just do a little exploring down in here. Do the middle parts maybe.
All right, let's go.
Sound like a plan?
Yeah.
That is a fire shirt.
Heading down. Take a peek, see how far down it looks. These are much easier to do than the wooden stairs Okay, which way are we going?
This way.
This way? Okay.
You're not supposed to say ooh, 'cause he didn't say
Guy, that was a fire shirt.
Yeah. Yeah. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Beautiful
Yeah.
out here.
The rocks down here are huge, aren't they?
Nuts, right?
Yeah.
So cool.
Look at the size of that rock. Yeah, there's Ethan going up to the rock. Pretty tiny compared to that rock, aren't you? Boy, that must have came from up there somewhere, like most of these. Yeah, look how small he is. I'm probably 20 feet away and zoomed out as far as I can. Just being able to get the rock into fit into screen. Wild. And I've said that before in my other videos, but it always amazes me when I come down here how polished these rocks are from, you know, millions of people walking over these rocks for I don't know how long. So they're slippery even when they're dry. Wow. It's like a whole nother world down here. Oh, there's the stairs right there we just came down. Oh, there's something over there strapped to the tree. Almost looks like a game camera or something. I'm gonna go see what the heck that is. If it's someone's game camera, I won't touch it, but I am interested to see. Are they putting cameras out here or something? Right there. I'm gonna climb up there, take a peek. If I can scale this wall. Look at these roots just wrapping around the rock here. Crazy, huh? What is that? Anybody in the comments know what that is? Huh. Bunch of wires in a box. Are you looking at me looking at you? I can't read that. It's too blurry for my eyes these days. I'll have to review it when I get home. Oh, yeah, you always find interesting stuff when you're out in the forests. From hanging fruit and trees to weird little units strapped to trees. Like 35 feet in the air. Weird. Oh, look at this big rock I'm under. Oh, it's squished with another little rock in between it. This rock's got to be the size of a house. Oh, you can get through. Ooh, that's a big rock barely sitting on there, bro. Yikes. Don't move while I'm under it. Now look at that rock sitting on there. It's like a pancake. Precariously sitting there. I wouldn't do that if it was just me and him, but we do have a second big person here that can take care of stuff if I get into trouble, because sometimes I do get off trail a little bit. Just what I do. All right, the bouldering trail is that way, or we can go down this way through the other big rock.
Can we keep going?
Okay, he wants to go down the bouldering trail. We will go down the bouldering trail. This is where they send all the guys with the mats who want to climb the rocks into here. And you need a permit. So if you want to climb down here, get a permit so you don't get in trouble. There's actually a path we could take down here, but I'm not going to do it with the younger ones. There's a much leisurely path down here that'll actually bring us down to the water. We can go take a peek down there if these guys want. I'm kind of doing what they want today and just filming it. So let's see what they want to do. Where are we going? This way, that way? It is a dead end, yeah. That's where I went swimming last time I was down here. It's a nice little swimming hole down here that I don't recommend. Don't swim down here, folks. Do as I say, not as I do. Or, you know, just do what's safe. Don't swim down here. Very dangerous. You're gonna get sucked in there and swept away, and no one will see you again. So just look at it. It's beautiful to look at. Good enough. You notice there's people that with the parks shirts on that walk around. What are you guys doing down here? Like,
so we do a bunch of things today. We're doing trash pickup.
Okay.
Mainly we just patrol like the water's edge, swimming,
right on.
stuff like that. Maintain the trails.
Okay.
All that kind of scattered things.
Well, that's cool. Yeah, I was always wondering what you guys were doing down here. It's good to hear that you guys pick up the trash.
Yeah.
I know the whirlpool area.
It's bad.
It is bad down there.
We were down there last week. We had people down there, and they got like 3 bags of trash just from the beach area.
Wow. So you guys clean up down there as well?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good to know. Oh, thanks, guys. We appreciate it, eh?
Yeah.
Take care. Have a good day. Oh, that's cool, eh? I didn't know they actually cleaned up trash down here. I know a lot of citizens as well clean up trash down here, so it's good to know that the parks are on it as well. And I can only imagine if the parks guys weren't on it, I guess, how bad it would be down here. Slowly making our way down here. Nice and gradual walk too. It's not like, you know, you've got your obstacles, of course, but it's not real steep. It's a nice walk as we get closer to the water. Let's get over there and take a peek. You know how rapidy it is in here. Let's go take a peek. See if I can get a half decent shot of those rapids down here. All right, we're back up. No exit beyond this point. Trail ends here. That's it. There's no getting out of here. Wow, water's really low. Last time I was down here, this was all full of water. Water is really low. Yeah, I can walk right through here today. Look, there's two jet skiers right there. Green and yellow. What are they doing in here? Well, I guess they don't like being videotaped. They saw me. Realized I was taping them and split as I was pulling out the second camera so I could get a closer view of them. What are they doing down here? Almost looks like there's a third one. Boat. Where am I pointing? I'm looking at the guy I'm pointing at, but I'm not anywhere near him on the camera. Anyways, yeah, he's in here somewhere. There's a boat. Are those just fishermen and guys from Queenston coming all the way up here, I guess? I guess. Nothing to stop you except your own safety and smarts. Pretty risky. You fall off a jet ski coming through here, boy. Better hope your life jacket's real floaty. Yeah, they're gone. They just went around the corner. Got a big hole here, one of the rocks. Look at that. This is normally underwater. Weird. So big in here. Like it funnels right out. And you can see the water going through the rock here. Almost creating a whirlpool effect. And coming out over on this side. Yeah, water coming through here too. Oh, there goes a jet boat. I can see my shadow. Hey guys. Oh, it's pretty impressive down here. It looked like he was struggling. There's a lot of wind down here, a lot of current. Yeah, pretty easy to get swept away. Must be careful down here. Okay, there we are. We're explored the end of the trail. Now we're gonna head back in, I guess, and explore some more, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm following you.
I wonder what that thing is.
We got a life ring here. In case anybody goes in the water, it needs to be pulled out. Looks like one of those big circles, like a donut
Oh.
from a ship you could throw to someone. I'm assuming it is shaped round. Back up we go. I wonder if we'll see any deer today. It's pretty common to see deer down here walking the escarpment, and I mean like 75, 80 degree pitches. They're like mountain goats down here. It's unbelievable. Oh, more spider webs. There are lots of spider webs. There's the water down there. Oh, nice sunny day. Loving it. Couldn't ask for a better day. Looks like this guy fell and split right in half on this rock here. Looks like, I don't know, maybe a good stairway down. Woo! Get my foot out of there. Yeesh. Yes, don't worry folks, if I injure myself, I will crawl myself out of here. I am not one to call for help and ask anybody that knows me. Ooh, spongy. But we made it to the end, all the way down. Okay. Back onto the trail, onward. Take a quick peek down here as well. Oh, look at all the leaves down here already. All the way down. Oh, tempted to go for a dip. I'm starting to sweat. Wonder how that water feels. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Didn't bring any shorts though. As you can see, I'm in jeans. Not even hiking jeans. down to my last pair of jeans. I'm so tempted to go in though. Frickin' sweating. Yeah, well, another time when I don't have smaller people with me. There's some really big boulders in the water down there. That one is probably the size of a small kid school bus, one of those yellow school buses. It's huge. It's crazy, the amount of rock that comes down from here and the size of the rock. I'm surprised they let anybody down here at all, but it's a bonus they do. Look at those boulders. They're not even rocks, they're like boulders. Crazy. Okay, which way are we going? This way? That way? Or that way? What are we doing? That way? Okay. All right. Yep. Okay. Well, there's lots of people down here enjoying the weather. And it's pretty clean. I haven't really noticed any garbage, to tell the truth. It's kind of nice. All right. Which way? This way or this way? Okay. Onward. Okay, I've just been reminded I sound like Dora the Explorer. So I will stop asking, which way are we going? This way or this way? Apparently she does that as well. All right, so we're up, coming up to another Y in the road here maybe? No? I will not ask which way we're going. Guess we can only go one way. All right. All right, did some cross country. We're now on the compass trail. Wow, another big rock. Huge. Ooh, narrow path. Oh wow, look at that thing. That's awesome. Oh, it's so smooth in here. Wow, that's like glass. I'd climb in there, but I don't think I'll be able to get a grip anywhere. I really don't want to slip and break a leg down here today. My gosh, that's super smooth though. I wonder if I can get around the other side. we go. Oh, look at that, eh? That's awesome. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna try.
Ooh, I'm way up here. Another hole here as well too, all filled in with leaves though. Okay,
Onward.
onward. Always exploring new stuff. I see a little chipmunk. All right, we went off trail a little bit there, kind of just going directly to where we want to go. And we're back on trail again. Now it's the seashell trail. Yeah, we got people following us out, more lost rock climbers. Yeah, pretty easy to get in here. It ain't the easiest to get out, is it, folks? How smooth this rock is. Well, we could just go straight up, but it's tough climbing for the younger ones. Easier to stay on trail, which means kind of zigzagging your way up the hill.
It's just so funny because I came with the first. I didn't even think about it.
Waiting for everybody to pass me, but no one did, so I guess I'm sort of leader again. Oh my God, look at the group we got now. How's it going?
Good. You guys stay here overnight?
Not allowed to, bro.
What is it? Is this like sleeping bag?
No, actually, they're the crash pads.
Yeah, no sleeping down here. All right, let's go. I'm following you. Keep going. Okay, we made it to the top. There's the wall. Like I said, if in doubt, head up. I just passed, I can't tell you how many people down there that are completely lost. 15 or 20 at least so far. No idea where they're going, so I can totally see why the fire department gets calls down here weekly. If you're not injuring yourself, you can't find your way out.
Do you remember us from down there?
Okay. Well, I guess I will end the video here. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. And if you guys like these videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Much appreciated.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, thank you.